my another unboxing video. Today I gonna show you the unboxing of this box. It's a Eduard Weekend Edition and the plane is Fokker D.VII, probably the best fighter plane in First World War. As you can see, this is plane which had Hermann Göring. You probably know who that guy is. So let's look inside. It's a box from 2008. So I bought it in auction on the internet. The original price was 260 Czech crowns. It's 10 euros. So, what do you got here? Basic menu, black and white. You know, this box is nothing special, nothing fancy. It's just another weekend edition. But the interesting thing is the Hermann Göring's camo. Oberleutnant Hermann Göring, 1918. It's all white. As I said, it's nothing special. There are pretty basic decals. No personal emblem or something like that. Small parts, nothing interesting. As you can see, this probably comes from a dual combo, but you can build only one plane. There are some details inside, pretty good. Looks good. The interesting thing is, I see it for the first time, man. It's that the wings are separated and you have to make it from two parts, you know, as you can see. I haven't seen that yet until now. There's nothing interesting, and this is engine, typical Daimler-Benz. Some dust, it's old, you know. This is it. As I said, nothing special, nothing fancy, but if you like planes from that era, it's a nice collection model, because Hermann Göring was one of the best pilots ever.